That's the sound of money hitting my online account on a daily basis. I'm talking about an easy $558.80 in 24 hours with zero effort from the comfort of my home on complete autopilot. Are you frustrated with not being able to get results online like this because it takes too much time to create sites that bring you zero success? Well, you need not to struggle anymore because your online success is just a few clicks away. In the next few moments, you can get everything you need to make sales and have massive results. And the best part? There's no technical skills or experience required to get this working for you. Introducing Click Publisher, the world's fastest cloud-based platform that allows you to create traffic and sales-ready sites in 90 seconds or less. You can build just about any type of site with Click Publisher, such as affiliate, e-com, blogs, crypto, or niche websites. If you can think it, you can build it with our state-of-the-art software. And the best part, it comes with beginner-friendly step-by-step video training to get you started and on your way to instant online success. Click Publisher works in 3 easy steps. Step 1, grab a copy before the price increases. Step number 2, log in and access the software, then click and publish. Step number 3, sit back, enjoy, and watch sales and profits. As a reminder, Click Publisher is 100% newbie-friendly and easy to use. So forget those other costly tools and start using Click Publisher today. We also went ahead and removed all the risk with our 60-day hassle-free refund guarantee. It doesn't get any easier than this, as we're giving you not 30 but 60 days refund period so you can test this out. If it doesn't work for you, simply message us and get your money back. All you need to do is click the buy button to get instant access to our luxurious profit-getting software. But you have to hurry, as the price will increase once the timer hits 0. Click Publisher is your unfair advantage to finally have success in 2022 starting today. So click that buy button now to secure your copy, and we'll see you on the inside.